Step 1. Download the Alexa app on your Android or iPhone. Step 2. Set up your Amazon Echo device. Step 3. Head to the Devices tab. Step 4. Select your Echo speaker. Step 5. Tap on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Step 6. Ensure it's connected to a working Wi-Fi network. You can tap Change to connect to another Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Head to the Devices tab in the Alexa app for Android or iPhone. Step 2. Select your Echo device. Step 3. Tap the Connected Device option. Connect your phone or tablet via Bluetooth and stream your preferred Apple Music playlist. Step 1. Open the Alexa app and select your Amazon Echo device from the Devices tab. Step 2. Tap the Settings gear in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Audio settings. Step 4. Make relevant changes to bass, mid-range, and treble sliders from the following menu. If your preferred music streaming service faces an issue, Amazon Echo sound keeps cutting out, open your phone and check the network connection. You should also launch Spotify or Amazon Music and check for any issues with streaming songs. Did your little one recently drop Amazon Echo? Or did someone accidentally spill water on it? Amazon Echo smart speakers aren't waterproof and don't carry IP ratings either. Due to physical or water damage, the Alexa-powered speaker might keep cutting out music. It's time to book an appointment at the nearest service center and get the device inspected by an expert. Step 1. Open the Alexa app and head to the Devices tab to choose your Amazon Echo Dot. Step 2. Scroll down and select Deregister and confirm your decision. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your Amazon account again. Step 1. Press and hold the action button for 20 seconds. Step 2. Wait for the light ring to turn off and on again. Step 3. After your device enters setup mode, follow the instructions to set it up again.